I'd rather be us laying here with the radio on, off the map and lost in the moment. All we got is a kiss and a song and some real good love. Looking at it from the outside, it might look like we don't have enough. Anytime, any day of the week, girl, I'd rather be us. Who wouldn't want to be you? Who wouldn't want to be me? Who wouldn't want what we got? Hey everyone, Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons. Thanks for tuning in. I want to teach you how to play this awesome song by Tyler Rich that is called Rather Be Us. This was a song that was requested, so thanks for the request. Standard tuning capo on the 4th fret. I'll include a link to the capo in the description. Please let me know in the comments if you have questions, if there's other songs you would like to learn and stuff like that. I'm more than happy to oblige as best as I can. Also, thanks so much. I'm getting a lot more subscribers lately. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't hit subscribe yet, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials, as long as you like it. I guess even if you don't like it, just do it. Make my day. All right, so let's get into this song, okay? So you're going to start. The intro is you're going to use G, okay, and then E minor. I'm going to show you two different strumming patterns for this song, okay? So the intro, and for most of the song, for the verses as well, you're going to do G, and either G works fine. G, E minor, okay, then G, and then C after that. Okay, so you can, this strumming pattern, it's probably a little bit easier depending on how good you are at guitar, but it's just down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Okay, see that? Down, down, up, down. So you can do that. The other one, and this is how it's actually played, but if you're just playing it by yourself, it's probably going to sound a little bit better if you maybe if you mix them or something. But so you would do. Okay, you're going to pluck it, so you're going to use these two fingers and your thumb. So your thumb is going to hit the big E string on the G, okay? Or you could actually do the A as well. You can do either one. Okay, but so for this we're going to just do with the E on the G chord, right? So you're going to do either G is fine. And then with these two fingers you're going to do, and this is just something that will just make it easy for, like, you can do this with a ton of songs, just different chords. But you're going to do, with your pointer finger, all right, you're going to do the G string, okay? And then with your middle finger, you're going to get the B string. Okay, so you're just going to do it all at the same time. So let's just do E, G, and B on this one. Okay, so you're going to do, you're just going to do that. Pluck, mute, pluck, mute, pluck, mute, pluck, mute. Okay, then when you go to E minor, you go to the A string. So you could just do the A string the whole time, like I said. But for this one, we're not going to. So then now you go to the A string with that, and these two fingers will keep strumming plucking the same ones the whole time. So you'll just go. So same thing, okay? Pluck, mute, pluck, mute, pluck, mute, pluck, mute, pluck. Then you go back up to the E for the G, okay? And then you go to C, and you go, and then on C you're doing the same thing as you were for the E minor. You're plucking the same exact ones. You're plucking A, G, and B, okay? Now, if you didn't want to do it that way, if you just wanted to stay on the same three strings the whole time and just do A, G, and B, you could totally do that. You would go. So you would do. It just won't sound quite as good, all right? But you can do that, especially if you're doing this G. Let's see. See? Like that. So you can do either one, okay? Now that's how you'll play it if you want to do it that way. I'm going to show you how to just do it with this. Okay? I think it sounds a little bit better on the guitar, but if you wanted to maybe just start it that way and do the first verse and then the chorus that way or something, that would work great. Okay, so for the verse, so for the intro, you're going to do that G, E minor, G, C. You're going to do that once, and then and then on the next G is when you're going to start with, baby, look at this couple on Instagram, trying to make the whole world jealous. See that? So you're going to do G as baby. All right. So G, baby, look at this couple on Instagram. So on Insta is where you do the E minor. Instagram. And back to G right before trying to make the whole world jealous. Okay, so like when you say gel, that's where you can go to C. Jealous. Then you go to, so then after you do that, you're going to go to G. And right before you say that, that perfect filter and that perfect. Okay, so per, on the beginning of perfect, you're gonna do E minor. Perfect 10. Okay, perfect 10. So after 10, you're gonna go to G. Looking like they got something to sell us. So sell, at the end of sell, you're gonna do C. Sell us. Okay, so you're gonna do that through that, all right? And then when you get to the chorus, you're gonna do I'd rather be us. Okay, so you don't play anything on I'd rather be us. You're just gonna do I'd rather be us. Playing here with the radio on, off the map and lost in the moment. All we got is a kiss and a song and some real good love. Okay, so for this, you go to D. Now you could still do the plucking here, but it's not gonna sound good if the whole thing you're just plucking like this. It's not gonna be good, okay? So what I would, even though that's what he does, I don't know if he's playing it or what, but on the album version, the guitar is just doing that the whole time, but they bring in a lot more like other instruments. Where if you're just playing this by yourself, you just got the guitar, it's not going to sound as good if you're just doing the same thing the whole time, okay? So for this, you're going to do D, especially where that's so minimal, to just do this. If you do that though, that's the one time you'll pluck it differently, okay, is on the D, because then you're going to pluck it from the D string, the G, and the B strings. So then you would do like that, okay? So you're gonna go, I'd rather be us, and then it's G. Playing here with the radio on, off. Off is E minor, okay? Off the map, lost in the moment. Then C. So you see, right now you're doing G, E minor, C. All we got is a kiss and a song. So after song, you go to D. And some real good love. Okay, like halfway through love, you're gonna do G. Love, looking at it from the outside in. It might, okay, it might is where you're gonna do E minor. It might look like we don't have enough, but so then after enough, you're gonna do C. Anytime, any day of the week, girl. So week is where you're gonna do D. Week, girl, I'd rather be us. So right after us, you're gonna do G. Us, I wouldn't wanna be you. Okay, then after you, you're gonna do E minor. You, who wouldn't wanna be me? Okay, then C, so then it's G, E minor, C again. Me, who wouldn't want what we? Okay, we is where you go to D. We got. Okay, so you do G, E minor, C, D. G, E minor, C, D. You do that same thing, okay? So you're just gonna do that like 3 times in the chorus. And you do the same thing, just down, down, up, 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 okay, just like that. Now, what I would do if you're playing this, if you're gonna play it that way the whole time, you're gonna want to do it softer for the verses, okay? You're gonna want to be like, and one thing that'll make it sound good too is if you want, I would pluck the bottom 3 strings more when you're doing the verses, okay? Now, the only other thing you need to know about this song is when you get to the bridge. The bridge is just D. Okay, and then you do, and then, so it's on, yeah, sometimes it's nice to fly. To fly is C, okay, fly that high. Okay, then D. D is on right before but I've grown a love for taste, and dollar is C. Dollar wine, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby, I'd rather be us. Okay, so you do mute, and then you go into the chorus. That's the whole thing. You know the whole song, and you know how to play it 2 different ways. You guys can crush this, okay? You can play it for anyone you want. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been fun teaching this to you guys, and I'll see you next time, and you'll see me next time.